I just tell people it'll save you money. It's going to operate cheaper than what you have now. It's going to keep you more comfortable. And then the benefit to going to the higher SEER is the added features that come on the more higher SEER equipment, the two-stage operation with the air conditioning over a single-speed air conditioner compressor to control humidity. And then you get into the inverter technology with the inverter compressors that are fully variable speed from very low output to a full capacity output, only putting out the demand that the home needs at the time. It makes the home more comfortable. So you're essentially purchasing a comfort system more so than a higher SEER system. If your cold don't cool, your heat don't heat, you should call Tom's Heating and Air Conditioning at 474-8850.